Hello students, in this video we will see what is data and algorithms. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a step-by-step set of instructions to solve a problem. Think of it like a recipe for cooking food. If you follow the steps correctly, you get the desired dish. In AI, algorithms help computers make decisions and solve problems. Imagine you want to find the largest ring in a bunch of rings. Start with the first ring. Compare it with the next ring. Keep the bigger one. Repeat until you check all rings. The ring left is the largest. This is an algorithm. What is data? Data is information that AI uses to learn and make decisions. AI needs a lot of data to recognize patterns and improve its performance. In a self-driving car, the AI collects data from cameras and sensors, data like speed, road signs, and pedestrians. How algorithms and data work together in AI. AI collects data, like pictures, sounds, numbers like this. Then that data passes to an algorithm, which processes the data and finds patterns. And finally, AI makes decisions based on what it learned, and give the output as we want. Understanding algorithms and data is the first step to learning how AI works.